Nike Basketball honors Kevin Durant's journey with the KD18 Rise, a design blending performance, heritage, and storytelling. Rooted in his Texas Longhorn beginnings and growth into an NBA MVP and champion, the sneaker highlights neutral cream uppers, suede overlays, and an orange TPU frame. Its performance edge comes from breathable mesh, flex textiles, Cushlon midsoles, and a full-length Zoom Air strobel, ensuring comfort and responsiveness. Striking orange swooshes and a KD logo nod to Durant's college past without leaning on official UT branding. Retailing for $160, the shoe launches August 29 at Nike.com and select retailers. Releasing alongside the KD4 Texas Retro, this drop merges nostalgia with innovation. Positioned as one of Fall 2025's biggest basketball releases, the KD18 Rise underscores Durant's dual influence as a cultural figure and elite athlete.